I'm a look development and lighting artist based in Southern California. This includes grooming, texture painting, and surfacing. Here I worked on the look development for Aurora on Ralph Breaks the Internet. I also did the lighting for these shots. Here you can see Miko from Ralph Breaks the Internet. One of the teams I supervise helped implement a deep learning denoiser into production, and this is an example of that. I did the look development for Sergeant Calhoun on Ralph Breaks the Internet. I did the lighting setups for these shots as well. Here's an example of a low quality character that I made better through adding some displacement maps. I designed and implemented all of the patterning on the crowd characters for Raya and the Last Dragon. I did the look development for King Magnifico, a main character on Wish. This shows an example of an environment setup I did in Houdini. Here's a character transformation. This was a cool test programming animation into hair primitives. I worked on this commercial at the mill. Worked on this dragon bat at Rhythm and Hue Studios. I did the look development for all the Kakamora and Moana. This is an experiment for vector eye displacement. Tomare for Green Lantern. Here's Double Dan for Ralph Breaks the Internet. He's supposed to be made out of Spam. Here's a one-off lighting shot. Lighting, prop development, and effects. Here I did the digital compositing. I did all the lighting and look development for these Running of the Bulls shots. I groomed the hair for Dolores in Encanto. Here's some cool stop motion look for some characters on a short project. I was a look development supervisor on Baymax. This demonstrates how I was able to scale up the patterns and the colors and the variations on Raya and the Last Dragon. I created an eye lighting calibrator. They showed this video at Chicago Bulls games. This is an example of some of my sculpting work. This is a close-up of Tomare. Here's a money shot of all the crowds at the climax of the film. This showcases some of the grooming work that I did on Aurora. My name is Rich Fallat, and this was my lighting, look development, and texture painting reel.